Happy Friday. I'm going to show you now some harvesting that I have to do so far. So I've got this large bowl of sugar snap peas, and I already gave away a bag full of snow peas, and now this 5-gallon bucket's half full, and these are my regular green peas. I'm going to shuck them all and pickle them. I think that's the way I want to store them. And the shucks, of course, with the snow peas and the sugar snap peas, they're edible. I'm wondering if I can make some kind of a relish with them. But I'll do some research and find out. Now the turnips. Look at the size of these things. Perfect looking turnips though. I just empty out this bag. So that's the ones that I harvested right after I come home. And you've seen these in the last video. They were still looking fairly well. Now, they were planted in this bed where is the American Purple Top. They look exactly like the Purple Top White Globe. So I'm not sure if the American Purple Top and the Purple Top White Globe turnip is the same thing or not. But last night I come out to check on them, and the leaves on these, they were just destroyed with the bugs. So they were not going to grow anymore. So I took them out, put them there, and I left them because I wanted to do a short video for you today on my harvest. The garlics in this little side strip that I had, I'm not expecting a whole lot from them anyway, but they've all dried up. So I definitely got to pull those. See, I only have 2 cloves on that one. This one's a little bigger. So we'll pull those and see exactly what grew here this year. Not much of a garlic harvest there, but it's just an experimental thing anyway. Coming back here, well, they're drying up. So I think it's time to harvest those as well. It's not an amazing harvest, but I've got some nice bulbs. I separated them out into 3 or 4 different sizes, and they're nice garlic bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of that size. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then there's the smaller ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I had 29 garlic bulbs grow there. And then of course I've got these little ones that I'll eat right away. And there's some zucchini. So just a minute. I took out all the lettuce among the zucchini plants. very big plants there now. There's 3 plants in along here. I can take this one. I've already harvested one this size. Actually, the one I harvested was a little bigger than this. In along here somewhere. Here's another one. And the really big one is over on the other side. And so that's a large zucchini. Now I have to decide on what I'm going to do with these. Might get a bit of wind noise here now, but I want to show you, look at the beautiful sunflower that's growing here. I'm going to plant a lot of sunflowers around next year. That's a black oil sunflower. And my harvest for now. They say when the onions fold over, then they're ready to be picked. So out this one comes. Nice size onion. And another nice one. This one I'm not sure about the top of it, so I'm going to take this one up. The top on this one hasn't folded yet. He is quite large though. Here we are down by the snowball bush. Almost all the onions are still standing. And some of them are really large. This one here has folded over. He's a nice onion, but I've got some larger ones, this one here and that one over there, that is still standing strong. Just a little note, hopefully this was pollinated. There's a female flower came out there. Let's walk around. No more folded over. I harvested 1 gallon of raspberries so far. I'll pick some more tomorrow morning. I picked the ripe cherries and the golden raspberries last night. This is a low year for them. I'll get quite a few. This is only one small tree, and my golden raspberry patch, well, it's only like 8 feet long, one line. And they're spreading like mad this year, so all is well there. That's my first harvest for 2019. I'll record my processing of these, and if I do good, then I'll make a video on that. Since I had this shelf in the sunroom, I felt it'd be a good idea to put the garlic and onions here to cure. When I take up my squash, I'll do the same. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.